Hi, I'm Kit Cox. I'm founder of Enate and I'm CTO as well. Firstly, Enate is the platform that we've built for running the world's best services. Whether that's a finance shared service or an HR shared service or a global business service that are internally focused, or whether it's a customer-facing service, we're deploying Enate to run and optimize and make those kind of services better. We created the platform because, to be honest, I was just frustrated by seeing business leaders having to deal with rubbish systems or even worse, spreadsheets and shared mailboxes, and trying to use those to deliver what were quite sophisticated services. And they're just not good enough for the job. We've built Enate to cope with how the world really is. Lots of services have been trying to use things like IT service management systems to run what are business services. But the problem is that whilst fixing a server in Brazil is pretty much the same as fixing a server in Belgium, that's not the case when you come to running a payroll in those countries. So Enate is there to allow you to, yes, standardize, but standardize to a level that works, but then allows you to reflect the real variabilities that are there in your business between countries, between products, between businesses that you've bought, and wrap that into delivering one extraordinary service. It's there to be that one platform that firstly gives you visibility, because visibility is the backbone to delivering great service. You can't manage what you can't see, and you can't improve what you can't manage. So we start with visibility. One platform to see all of the work, and then one platform to control all of that work, control it through ticketing and case management. Once you've got that control in place and you've got that visibility, and you're no longer dealing with crossed wires and bits of service being missed, then you can automate. Not random acts of automation because somebody's found a new shiny technology tool to go and throw at a corner of the business, but deliberate, precise automation that is about measurable value into that end-to-end process. And what we try to do with Enate is make the deployment of that automation really simple by letting you plug and play it from the Enate marketplace. Our job with Enate is to give you a single environment that allows you to switch in and out and future-proof the operation as those technologies become available to you over the coming years. Businesses that we work with see results firstly from an OpEx point of view. So firstly, they see OpEx savings typically at around 20%. So if you're deploying Enate across 1,000 people or 1,000 resources, then you might be looking at a 20% capacity increase across that resource base. So pretty meaningful results. But the best results are where customers are taking that capacity and then using it to do something really transformative. Because actually, if you're creating capacity to allow people to deliver a great service that they're really proud of, then that service improves, and then you start doing more business. So you go from creating capacity to changing really fundamental things for the business, like top line performance and bottom line results.